Hi friends, we're going to be adding this page to our Reader's Interactive Notebook. That means you're going to get your composition book out. You're going to open it up to the reading side. You're going to get this page ready. This is in your notebook. It is under the second purple section and it says Roots. So you're going to be using this to add to your Reader's Notebook. How this is going to work on a recording is you're going to get this page out, you're going to cut out this box, you're going to cut out the title box, and you're going to do that with the video on pause. After you get those things cut out, unpause the video and come back and we'll work on that work in your book, your interactive notebook together. So, okay. Hit the pause. Okay, I'm back. I finished cutting out the title and I finished cutting out the root words information that we're going to be adding to our interactive reading notebook. I'm going to open, flip past and open and move on and keep going till I get to a blank page. Here we go. There's my blank page. I'm going to glue the big rectangle on the bottom and the smaller title rectangle on the top. Let's go ahead and do this. Have you already done it? Were you that clever? You got it glued in before you came back to me? I wasn't sure where people would be, so I thought I'd just kind of mix all of us meeting in the middle somewhere. All the cutting has been done. We're just gluing it into place. Okay. Here we go. Now we're ready to use this page. We're going to be filling it in with some additional information. Roots. A root word is the basic beginning part of a word, just like the root is the basic beginning part of a plant. You wouldn't have a very healthy plant if you didn't have good, strong roots. And that's how it is with our language, too. We need lots of different words, but we actually have, we can go backwards and find just a few roots for a lot of these words. So we can determine the meaning of a word by using its root word. For example, astro has a meaning, and we use this word in words like astronaut. Let's start with that. So a common root word is astro. A-S-T-R-O. And astro means stars or star. When we see A-S-T-R-O in a word as the root of the word, we know that it has something to do or is related in some way to star. So astronaut Naut has something to do with traveling or distance. So astronaut is a star traveler or going a distance to stars, something like that. Let's look at this one. Geo. Geo is the root, G-E-O, and it means earth. And an example of using that root is in the word geography. Geography is writing about the earth. Like if you study geography, you study information about the earth. Another one, and by the way, do you see graph? Writing about the earth, or earth writing. We're studying geography. Another one is this one, the little plant. Bio is that root. And the meaning of bio is life. And an example of that one is bio, L-O-G-Y. We say this word biology. This L-O-G-Y part, that refers to studying. That's another root that we, or actually suffix that we would add on to a word, and it means the study of. So biology is the study of life. There we go. Can you think of other words that have ology on them? Probably. Let's do the root graph as a root. And it means to write. And how about paragraph? Okay. Para, the prefix, means part. Graph means write. So part, write. A paragraph is part of a bigger text. A paragraph is part of bigger writing. Yep. The next word, scope. That's this one at the bottom, scope. And that means tool for seeing. And an example would be a microscope. Micro means small. Tool for seeing small things is a microscope, right? We're going to end up using that again, I think, that scope, in just a second. Let's do T-E-L-E, tele, and it means far away. An example would be telescope. So we're going to put these two together. Far away, tool for seeing. A telescope, a tool for far away seeing. There we go. Let's look at another one. Photo. This is a root word. Photo, and it means light. And an example is photograph. There's that graph again. Graph means write. So a photograph is light writing. That's really actually what a photograph is. Whether it's stored on old-fashioned film or whether it's on your cell phone camera in your gallery, it stores light. It writes with light. A photograph is light writing. It records what you're seeing from light. Very cool. Photograph. And port is our next root. And it means to carry. And an example of that is transport. So, port means to carry. Trans means across. So if you across carry or carry something across, you transport it. Like when you put the groceries in the trunk of your car and you transport them home, you carry them across the distance to your home. You transport them. Okay, so while you finish writing your list, you can click the pause button, and that will hold that up on your screen. When you get finished, don't forget, go ahead and color it, make it beautiful, and have fun with that. These are our common roots, what they mean, and some examples. We'll go over them real quick tomorrow. Actually, anyway, we'll go over them real quick on Tuesday. So see you then. Bye.